Well, as you can tell from the book, we're heading back up to Scotland, and more specifically the Isle of Skye. We've been there before, haven't we, a few times.
We have.
But there's a few things that we still have left to do. So that's the plan over the Easter break. So if you want to see more about that, then you'll have to tune into next week's video. But in the meantime, we've been busy making some changes to the van, haven't we, Anna?
Yeah, because we've always kind of struggled with the front area of the cab. And we was like, what should we do? Do we buy the screen for the outside? Do we get blinds put in? But we came up with a solution that we've seen, probably with others have forgot it, but we was like, will it go? And it has.
We weren't too sure, were we, whether we would
So I'll show you.
Like it or not. So this is what we've come up with.
We've got these. They're blackout blinds and thermal curtains, not blinds. And they're really long because they're from IKEA, but they're thermal and blackout.
How much were they?
They were £27
for the pair, wasn't it?
Pair. The pole is a tension rod, shower tension rod. But the idea is we can have them here, that's why we've got them so long, or we can fit them to the front. So when the seats are turned around, as you can see, they hang behind the back there, which is ideal. That's what we wanted. We just couldn't think of anything else what we needed or what we could use to
the best option.
Yeah, and that is the best option. And they're nice. They're quite light as well.
They're quite good material, aren't they? We've got the plastic lining on the back there that blacks them out and makes them, or gives them the thermal properties.
So we will test them out when we go to Skye, especially with the diesel heater on. It's going to be cosy in here.
Yeah, and we'll let you know how we get on with those.
Totally. Also, we're away for Easter, so we've treated ourselves to a few little treats. Yeah, we are
Dime bars from IKEA.
we are big kids at heart, but it's nice. But this is going to happen for when we go full time. Our little bits here planning.
And we've got another cupboard full of chocolate, haven't we, as well?
Got a snack cupboard. If you want to see, come and look.
It's empty at the moment.
There's a few. There's sweeties in there. Toffees. Steve sweets. I don't really like those ones. But yeah. So, the other thing that we've struggled with is space for our clothes. We've got the cupboards up here at the back, but it's climbing onto the bed. We've got the cupboards at the front, which have got boxes in, like the zippy up boxes, that have got clothes in, but it's getting them out as well. So for convenience.
That's the word you're looking for.
Word. We've got this from IKEA. Yes. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spaces for me, and one for Steve.
Really?
So, but these are going to be ideal for socks, underwear, t-shirts. My leggings will probably fit in there, and other little bits, and then the storage bit at the bottom. But it fits in here perfect. Yeah,
so it's just kind of so you can grab your day-to-day stuff more easily, rather than having to climb on the bed and get into the cupboards for stuff out of there. Definitely. So, and that was from IKEA. And how much was that?
£6.
I think it was £6.
It wasn't a lot, was it?
And you can get them in white as well, can't you?
Yeah, but we want grey because grey's our colour.
Grey's the colour, apart from the curtains.
Yeah, but they go, don't they? They match the ivy.
Yes, they do actually. They don't look
green on there.
That green on there, do they?
So we shouldn't have said that.
No, but they are green. One of the things that really bugs me is clutter. And trying to organise stuff. So I found this in B&Q. It was £10. I picked up 2 of them, and they're absolutely ideal just for putting your tools in, all your bits and pieces inside. And open this up. And you've got a little bit of a tray there, and so I've got 2 of these just to pop, different tools and bits and pieces in, so it's easily accessible. And they stack on top of each other in the back of the garage, which is ideal.
We've also got the gas canisters for the cooker, and they were how many for 12 for £20?
12 for £20.
In Boys, a shop down here. So we've got all that, so we really will do well, because we're not going to be using campsites, are we?
No.
We will find places where we can go get water or empty our toilet, but we're not going to book into a campsite.
Not unless we absolutely get me words out there. Absolutely need to. But
I'll have no hair straighteners for the 12 days. We're off 12 nights. I won't have no hair straighteners.
I'll need hair straighteners if I don't get my hair cut before we go.
And I'll have dry shampoo. Yeah, but the shower in here is brilliant.
Yeah.
It is good. So probably could shower and dry my hair in here, but I won't have a hairdryer. Any suggestions? Put down in the comments, like for hairdryer or straighteners when you're not in a campsite.
So that's just a few of the bits we've done in the van before we head up to Scotland, more specifically up to the Isle of Skye. So what are we doing when we get there?
We're going to do the Old Manor Store. We're going to do the Crag, maybe, depending on the weather. Nice Point for the sunset. And then the breweries.
Cooling Brewery.
Yeah.
Not going to go to the Isle of
No,
Skye Beer Brewery.
no, because we've done that one before. So we'll go to Cooling Brewery. That was a nice one. And then weather after that, who knows?
Yeah,
Yeah,
who knows? You'll just
knows?
have to tune into our next video.
But what has Steve bought for this trip?
Oh
Yeah.
Yeah. I have actually ordered a Mavic Mini 3 Pro, so hopefully that'll be here before we head off.
So might get shots of the van going along, but I can't drive the van because I'm not on the insurance. I can drive, but I'm not on the insurance. So I don't know how we're going to work that one out.
We'll figure something out. So if you want to see that adventure up in Scotland, then please tune into next week's video.
Yeah. So cheers, guys.
Cheers.